Hello everyone, myself Krupi Kalashiya, and I cleared my 10th standard from MBB Educational Academy VFG, and I scored 85.6%. In 9th, I scored 61%. Uh, I am very happy from this percentage because it was beyond my expectations. Uh, I expected that I would score above 80%, and I scored 85%. And I would thank my parents, teachers, and friends, and special thanks to Amresh sir that he motivated us, guided us, and and I will thank my friends Ashni, Gauri, and Kritika because every night before the exam we shared the and uh, important notes. And my parents, I would like to thank my parents because they never demotivated me, and they would always support me and believe me. So today I'm here. Thank you.